tummy is rolling. My tummy is hungry. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All is good. Yemizkitchen. I am hungry.
Today na today I dey cook Efo Riro the village way, low portion, Ngbo na Yoruba Efo Riro, but I go come put that hand, put himself. Today na today. When my husband come back today, he must smile. This kind smile, the orishi will go dey inside this soup, he go grey. Today na village Efo Riro. Inside village Efo Riro, una know we no dey put tomato. Na only tatashe and onion and pepper. Why it be like village home? Say when they dey for farm, they can only get what they get, so they will pound all this and quickly make this efo inside village, inside farm before they come. They can use and chop anything where they see. So the people where they village now only tatashe and albosa, which is onion, and atarodo, which is the habanero pepper that they use to cook this food. The main ingredient for this thing na the spinach. The only spinach wey dey for Bodo Yimbo for here na chopped spinach. I don't buy the chopped spinach for Walmart. Na only 12 ounces. If you no wan use the Oyinbo one wey they don cut, the fresh one dey. The only thing be say you have to work hard for that one. Me, I no like that one, because you have to cut it, put it in hot water, put salt, then sift it, make sure water no dey. So that's why me I dey like this chopped spinach. I dey anytime when I wan cook, I dey use 4 to 6 pack na I dey use. So I don ready. Before I should go to the stove, I wan show you wetin I don get. Oya, let's start. See, first is the pepper, second is the seasoning. Inside the seasoning, I don put my small paprika. Paprika I dey use am well because e dey make the thing be like say you cook am for ethnic pot, and dey give am red color. So when the man go see am, e go dey shake. That day, that night you don't know wetin you go get. Anyway, come see maggi for the side. I come put small maggi and small salt to see the make am good. If I dey cook village Efo Riro or spinach, if you no put dawa, you never cook am. You never cook am at all. This is my dawa imported by my papa from Nigeria. See now they call am dawa iru, and for Igbo people they call am locust beans. Na im be this one. I can't add and join. See, I don't make my small goat meat. My bobo no they like to chop too much meat. No, they like fish. So nice small goat meat, na be that to give them the taste. Then the goat meat they bring that taste of locality inside them. Okay, I don't cut them small, don't fry and wait for them. After that, if best one na this banla fish, I don't clean them, fry them, ready to go. Today na love portion. When you see am, if I meet you, I go dey happy. See, you go just open in pocket, give me money. See, I don't cut my pomo small, ready. Now I don't cut them, boil them for sauce. I'm ready to put them. Okay, on the other plate, see the thing where I go add to. I don't make my fried fish and fried chicken. I don't put them for one side. Okay, I can't join her with gizzard. Today. Na love portion. I go put my hand, my leg inside this food. When my husband see me, na love. See, I can't put shake for one side. I don't cut the shake. I don't fry am. They wait, make I put am the last minute, make the thing they do shikadugbe inside the soup. The king of all, na him be the okporoko. I don't boil the okporoko. The okporoko they come and put me inside soup. See, I don't ready. Today na love portion. Oh yeah, let's go to the stove. Make I show you how to cook for my husband. My love portion, village Efo Riro. I don't start again. I dey cook the Ngbo the Efo Riro, the village Efo Riro for my husband, like I tell you now. Okay, let's start. Here, we have the onion and the pepper. If it's not hot, it's not African. And you have to do this to your taste. This is palm oil. I put 3 spoons of palm oil, and I have my onion and my habanero pepper, which Yoruba call tatashe, So I'm going to fry this with translucent. Don't forget in Yemizkitchen, like I said, we want to make African food easy. African food is not supposed to be that hard. And use whatever you have to make African food, whatever you live. If you're in Spain, in Nigeria, in America, in England, in India, just get their local stuff and use to cook. There's onion and habanero pepper everywhere, at least a derivative of that. Don't forget, like Yemizkitchen on Instagram, Yemizkitchen.com on our website, and Yemiz on Facebook, and Yemizkitchen on YouTube. Please, Yemizkitchen, I've just started, but my main goal is to create menus that are easy to cook, delicious, palacious, delicious meal for you guys. Okay, it's kind of simple. I'm cooking the village version of eforiro. You know, there's no tomato in this. Almost everything is like what people eat in the farm. When they go to the farm, according to the story, I never went to farm before. They said they get the onions from the farm and they get their mortar and pestle and pound it and cook whatever they can with the dry meat, whatever they see, bush meat. So when they get home at night, they don't have to cook again. And whatever they have at the farm, maybe they took gari or the soy yam, they will pound the yam and use it for eforiro. That is the origin of eforiro. It's a Yoruba menu, Yoruba cuisine. So eforiro is actually turned efo or stew efo or sauté spinach. In America, I use chopped spinach. And today I'm going to put my leg, my feet, everything I got in it because I want to make love portion to my husband. Come on. Okay. Here is a pepper that I've grounded that I showed you before. This is the red bell pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, and whatever I showed you before. You saw it when I showed you before. I'm going to put it on it. Okay. Every last minute, last drop, no wasting. Okay. Oh God, it's looking so good. I'm singing my song again. My tummy is hungry, yummy, yummy, yummy. What is cooking in Yemizkitchen? Efo Riro is cooking in Yemizkitchen. See what I'm saying? So ready, it's translucent. Now let's crack the fire. I'm turning the heat into high. Okay. So we're going to leave this. I want this, the goal of this is to reduce and translucent. Okay, I'm going to put my Iro. Iro is a lentil. It's very, very nutritious. It has a lot of protein. This is my father's favorite actually. He likes all this in his food. You want the ethnic food, the smoky food, the Cajun food, the Creolicious, Cajunlicious food. You got it in Yemizkitchen. Okay, we're going to leave this for like 15 minutes because it's hot. So that is we cook, then we put the meat and the vegetable, and voila, it's done. Cooking is not hard. People make it hard, and probably because we don't get our food in one market, that's why it's hard in Africa, or maybe the money. Probably, I don't know, but food cooking is not hard. This is just something to teach you how to make it easy. So this is how you make your, you can use it for your stewed turkeys, stewed chicken, stewed gizzard. You can use this for that, except that you won't put the Iro in it. So now when this is reduced a little bit, in fact, let me put it now. I'm going to put my crayfish, grounded crayfish in it. It gives another flavor. The traditional flavor it gives that. I like my thyme because it's aromatic. All these are optional. Lentil is optional. People who are allergic to shellfish, you don't have to use crayfish. It's optional. Thyme is optional. I just like my food aromatic, smelling good, delicious. This is my There's no African food without chicken seasoning or bouillon seasoning. We use this because we don't have the stock. It's not readily made. We love using stock for our food. Don't forget, like, it's derivative of salt. So if you are using this, you notice that I use a lot of the bouillon cubes for a little bit of salt. And always taste your food. If you don't taste your food, it's going to be salty. It might look good. If it's salty, they can't eat it. Sorry. Still reducing this. I'm going to taste this a little bit. I'm going to let this, I'm not going to put too much salt in this because the meats I'm using I've already cooked. I've parboiled them and I seasoned them. The only reason I put salt in this a lot is because of the vegetable, the spinach, because it's bland. Yeah, I don't need salt. It's perfect. I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes. I'll put the meat. Okay, so it's 20 minutes after. I'm gonna put my meat because, you know, I told you all the meat, stockfish. I don't want it to spill on my body. Chicken, I can see that's turkey gizzard, banla fish. Okay, you can see all the delicious. You don't have to do this. You do according to how much you have. This is just a love portion for me. I just want to impress my husband, to give him good food. He's worked so hard. The shaki. I'm gonna fold this in, okay? And after I come and look at this, I still have to put some shrimp in. I love. Stockfish, goat's meat, I just mix everything. Chicken, turkey, Titus fish, which is very expensive in the United States. It's more expensive than any fish. It's like $4 per pound here. But I just eat it because of the memory. I ate this when I was in boarding school in Nigeria, even though that time it was the cheapest fish. But Titus is very expensive in the United States. It's more expensive than lady fish, more than expensive, like almost something like tuna fish. Very expensive. So my this line shrimp. My husband doesn't like it all. I don't like it deshelled. I like it when I'm eating, I can shell it. I like it like that. Once it's deshelled, it's cooked too soft for me. So that's why I always like mine. And I like the look of fresh shrimp. So, oh my God, is this rich enough for you? My tummy, gang, it's yummy. My tummy is hungry. What is cooking in Yemizkitchen? See what's cooking today is eforiro from the village eforiro in Bomito. To reach eforiro for the I'm doing love portion for my honey bunny. Okay, so we're going to cover this for like 10 minutes for it to cook thorough. And this is this is like 75% of the stew and 100% of the efo, which is the spinach. So like I have to use like maybe half of this pot for like five spinach. So you want this sauce to be lesser than the spinach. So let's say the spinach should be 3/4, and the sauce should be like 50. Spinach 100%, sauce like 60%. Okay. So I have reduced it. You see, it's half of the pot. This is the one I've reduced it to, because if I do that, the pot will not be enough for it. This could be saved in the fridge. We freeze it in a container It's another time you want to make your eforiro, you have it already for you. Sometimes I come home with my husband from work and he's like, how come this is so fast? It's because I have the pre-made one in the fridge. I'm doing this because it will make it easier when I fold it in, because it's chopped spinach. When you take the water out, you will make it into a ball. And I'm not using my hand. It's better to use your hand to spread this. Forget to fold in, especially when you have fish. You know, all these things are delicate. Yeah, see, you fold it in the way you do your mashed potato. Oh, no, I take that back, not mashed potato. Just fold it in. Some American recipe says you should fold in. So, fold it in. Good. Put the fresh onion just a little bit. I don't even like it, but some people like it and it's good. It looks beautiful. For the efo, the village kind, eforiro, it's all folded in. So now I don't want to water in mine. I like it this thick. So I'm going to cover this and come back after like 6 or 7 minutes, because you don't want it to cook, everything to be cooked. So you can eat it with pounded down with eba, with pap, eko, with Nyon, amala, semolina, and all that stuff. Even on rice, my children love it on rice. You know, I love to eat it with bread whenever I have the chance to. Well, we have finished cooking this. It's finished, and I just put the onion to garnish it. Now I'm going to serve it. It's delicious. You can eat it by itself. Like I said, put it in a plate and eat it by itself. African food is not so hard to cook. You just have to put your mind into it, be creative, and think about it before you cook. Now we don't finish our eforiro, the village style, the log portion. That one where you go cook, where man no go fit leave your house. But we don't finish them. I finished this, and thank you for staying with us on Yemizkitchen. Please don't forget to follow us on Yemizkitchen on Instagram, Yemizkitchen on Facebook, www.yemizkitchen on our website and on YouTube. Please like us and subscribe. This is eforiro, the village style. Stay blessed and God bless you.